everyone, this is Ankita Arora, aka High Heels Motorcyclist from XBHP, and today I'm here in a very adventurous terrain, which is the Pro Dirt Adventure in Pune. I'm here for the very special motorcycle. As you could see, my gear is with full of mud, slush, because I have experienced the YesD Adventure, and this is our motorcycle of the day from the house of classic legends.
Motorcycling aficionados already know the brand and its history. That goes back more than 50 years. After all, who can forget the venerable Road King?
Immediately, the YesD became the eyeballs for everyone because it was famous for its roadster and classic models.
The brand was revived not too long ago, and with the YesD Adventure, it was well and truly back.
And right now, I am standing with the redefined version and experiencing this on the dirt, on the off-road track, on the trails. It is absolutely fun. I have explored this machine, as you could see, the condition of me. The YesD Adventure came in India and whole game has been changed because it came with the retro charm and the modern features in it, and the contemporary features define how the machine can perform into the adventurous terrain, and it is very robust and muscular looking motorcycle that I really enjoyed riding it today. So if we talk about the design element of the YesD Adventure, then it is very nicely designed two-tone tank. Since the brand hasn't changed the specs into the motorcycle, but there are few changes which the brand came with a redefined manner, and you could say that the new main cage, if the motorcycle fall, it definitely will save. They are also giving the hand guards which can protect the clutch and the brake parts, which normally the motorcycles doesn't give you the crash guard, but they are giving it. And if you say, then there is a very high front fender along with a very high windscreen. Along with that, it comes as a modern looking round shape LED lamps, and along with that the tail lamps.
The motorcycle also stays true to the legacy of the brand. The aesthetics scream modern classic and the execution plays the part as well. The most clear giveaway is the round headlamp. Classic aesthetics are blended with the modern technology such as LED lighting, rider aids, a fully digital instrument cluster, switchable ABS, and a USB charging port.
So bike is also having the 220 mm of the ground clearance, which is specially designed for such terrains where we are not to worry about that any gravel part or any stone part could hurt the motorcycle engine.
The robust steel frame is complemented by the long travel suspension. 200 mm of travel on the front and 180 mm on the rear makes the YesD Adventure ideal for not just for the soft trails but fairly rocky terrain as well.
The brand is giving the 43 mm long suspension so that it can support the motorcycle into the very adventurous and the off-road touring terrains. The motorcycle can go on a long distance touring as well, and also can go to the urban jungles and the trail paths and to the off-roads.
Also, the suspension is well judged and does not feel too squishy on the road but absorbs nearly everything that you can expect to encounter on an excursion.
Sump guard has been built up like that to secure the motorcycle in the better way for the better durability of the motorcycle. The second important change for the motorcycle is the central exhaust routing. So basically they are giving this routing for the best thermal management and the performance for the motorcycle. The third major change by the brand in this motorcycle is the engine. So they have kept the specs as the same but redefined the engine as a Alpha 2.
The star of the show above all else though is the engine. The 334cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine is good for around 30 horses and 30 Newton meters. More than the specification though, It is the wide power band that one appreciates the most. The power is delivered through the 6-speed transmission in a manner that makes the engine feel fine when cruising on the highway. The calm demeanor can dissipate quite easily though. Find a trail worthy of blazing and engine seems eager. You can ring the throttle and the dollops of torque sent to the rear wheel not only propels you forward but help you steer the motorcycle as well. Not to mention looking utterly cool in the process. 3 riding modes, road, rain and off-road, alter the engine mapping to suit the terrain and the riding conditions. The weight can be a bit daunting for newer riders. The ESD Adventure tips the scale of 187 kg. Not a lot considering the rugged nature and the add-on protection bits, but still it's weighted a little less. It would have made this really good motorcycle a splendid one.
The way we do have the different category of motorcycles, the gears also comes as per the different trails, different terrains. And right now I am completely secured by Rhinox off-road gears, which is the completely a new series from Rhinox. Now I am standing in their Dune Neo Trail jacket and pant, which is completely made for the off-road segment. I am wearing the Quest Pro protective layer inside it. So I literally enjoyed the rainy weather along with the ESD Adventure motorcycle on this, outskirts of the Pune. And I really enjoyed the off-road session where I was going to the slush and mud. And I would definitely say that the 21 inches front wheel with the dual sport SEAT tires has supported so well because it was very grippy on the even slush area. This partnership between the ESD and the SEAT tires are amazing, matching the synergies and compatibility of the motorcycle. The handling part, if I talk about, then the well balanced of the frame and the suspension along with these tires made it very easy for me to ride on the off-road and even the normal roads. So this motorcycle is just not meant for the adventure terrains, it is also for the long distance touring because they have given a very cushioned seats for the rider as well as the pillion so that any pillion can come and sit for the long distance riding. Standing up and sitting back on the motorcycle when I was trailing on the part and I was holding my thighs onto the tank, and when I was sitting on the seat, definitely it was giving me that grip and the comfort. The company itself provide the stock luggage racks for that, you can put your luggage here and can go for the long distance tourings. In 300 to 400 cc category of this adventure motorcycle, there are ample of options and varieties into the motorcycles.
Among them, this ESD Adventure is a very capable motorcycle for both touring and off-roading. The power is ample but not intimidating. The handling is very neutral and likable, and the ergonomics are spot on,
along with the very affordable pricing.
The price starts at 2,09,900 ex-showroom Delhi. For the money you get a Tornado Black ESD Adventure, which offers a lot for the price tag. Still, if it could undercut its price by a tad bit more, I believe it would have made the ESD Adventure an even more tantalizing prospect.
So, signing off from the Pro-Dirt Adventure with the ESD Adventure and a lot of memories. So, why don't you ride hard, ride safe and stay geared.